Do you really want to have the power to make any woman quite literally lust after you and become totally addicted to you? Do you want women to wait upon your every word? Do you want the woman or women of your choice to freely make themselves available to you whenever you want, regardless of your looks, age or financial condition? If you really want to have this much power over another person, then this product is for you, as the secret formula we reveal really does do exactly what it promises to do. It literally makes women become uncontrollably obsessed with you, and you alone, forever. At this point you should be thinking that this is morally wrong, as people should always have free will. You might be thinking this is some kind of witchcraft being sold to achieve your ends, but you would be wrong. This formula has been researched and created at some of the world's greatest places of learning, as it utilizes strong psychological principles that make it a great tool used by many international intelligence agencies. Yes, these principles can really make a woman fall head over heels in lust with you, and yes, research exists to give women power over men in the same manner. We have that formula for any women interested. Because of the nature of this material and its murky moral stance, we cannot guarantee that this formula will remain available to the public for long. So, if you are inclined to have power over women, then you had better quickly click the link to find out more about this.